I tested this platform that actually paid me just for doing some similar activities which some of us know about. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you what you need to do and how you can set up your account, how you can leverage this platform, and also how you can place withdrawals on your account. Now all I ask from you is to please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch right now. So what I'm going to do right now is to take you through on how you can set up an account on this platform and start leveraging this platform immediately. To get started on this platform, once you click the first link on the pinned comment section, you're going to be brought into this interface. You can register with an email address or a mobile number. Now in registering with an email address, all you just have to do is to click on this particular interface that says email registration or register. Then put in your registered email address, put in a login password, then put in a security password. Make sure the security password is password that you can remember because you'll be asked whenever you want to place withdrawal. Then come down here and click on register. Then automatically your account will be created right on this platform. So I'm just going to log in to show you what you need to do on this platform to also leverage more and earn every single day while using this platform. Now when you take a look at my total assets, you will see that I have over 11.34 assets, and when you come over my total revenue today, you can actually see that I have 1.34 USDT. So right now I'm just going ahead to withdraw this so I can show you how you can leverage this platform also and how you can generate income for yourself every single day. Now you can actually see that you can withdraw using your BEP20 USD or your TRC20. So what you just need to do is to come right here and input the exact amount you want to withdraw, which is the 1.342000 USDT. Alright, so what you just want to do is to copy your BEP20 USD, then paste right here, then put your security password, then click on confirm. But before doing that, you can actually see the amount you'll be receiving in total. That is the 1.3 USDT. Now an handling fee was not charged for this withdrawal. So what I just need to do is to paste my BEP20 wallet address right here, then put in that security password I inserted while creating my account. Then once this is done, the next thing I want to do is to come down here and go through this warm withdrawal note to actually have some insights about how the withdrawal method works, so you don't have to wait for too long while expecting your withdrawal. Now just come down to click on confirm and you'll be withdrawing this straight into your preferred wallet, and I'm going to be showing you the withdrawal proof right from this platform. And we just got credited instantly of the 1.3 USDT from this platform. So guys, what we mostly do on this platform is to unlock some packages for yourself, and once you are able to unlock any packages right here, you're going to be getting a generated income for yourself every single day. Right here I'm on level 1. You can actually see that the current percentage I am having on my account is about 13 to 40% to 13 to 60%. That is, this was unlocked for 10 USDT. Now I unlocked this because this is what I can afford on this platform. You can go ahead over to level 2, look at the details, and you're going to be unlocking any of these levels you wish is right for you. Okay, but before doing that, you need to come over to your account. You're going to see the recharge and the withdraw button. Now what you just want to do is to fund your account. You need to fund your account to be able to have access to those levels. Now when you come over to recharge and you'll be brought over to this interface, here you can actually choose which of the network you actually want to fund your account with. We have the BEP20 USDT, we have the TRC20 USDT, we have the BEP20 USDC, TRX, and BNB. So whichever of these networks you want to use to fund your account, just click on any of it and you're going to be displayed a wallet address. All you just have to do is to copy this wallet address, then fund your account according to the actual level you want to use to upgrade to. Okay, so once that is done, you're going to be seeing this on your account. Then the next thing you want to do is to come down to where it says work. Now when you come over to work, you can actually see the levels that you can unlock for yourself, and this is going to give you a daily return every single day. Not only this, after you might have purchased the level, you need to still come over to your account where you're going to be seeing this work actually. Now you're going to click on start quantify. Now I've actually clicked on start quantify on my account. That's why I was able to generate my income for today and place a withdrawal. Now every single day you just have to come over to your account and click on start quantify, and it's going to give you a generated income which you can place instantly on your account. I mean, place a withdrawal instantly on your account, and this is only what you have to do every single day. Come over to your account and click on start quantify, and you're going to be getting generated income for yourself. And note that you're only unlocking your account for just one time, and you're going to be getting a generated income every single day. However, it's advisable you invest what you can afford as this video is strictly for educational purpose and personal experience. So always invest what you can afford, as investment carries some significant risks. Okay, and so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. You can use the link below to join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I run giveaways and also show you some specific ways you can use to earn some extra cash online. See you on my next video and keep winning.